Altenew Fairy Tale. Some stories stay with us forever, and this is a story you will never forget. Once upon a time, on a bright March morning, crafters all over the world woke up to hear the news. It was time for a brand new Altenew stamp release. Horse-drawn carriages, never seen before magical worlds, and irreplaceable fairy tale moments. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone, and now we are here to challenge your crafting skills, help you flex your crafting brain, and enter a new stamping horizons. Your adventure is just beginning, and we are excited to share our storybook fantasy release with you. Let's get lost in beautiful places. The end, or is it?
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!